Hey guys, welcome to my video. This is UI from China MAXIZM Industrial Limited. Today I'm going to show you a different kind of special vehicle, Asphalt Synchronous chip-sealing truck. Here behind us is Asphalt machine XTF1403R with 4 meters sprayed width. Chassis brand is HOWO. Optional brand is SHACMAN. Chassis type is 8x4. Asphalt tank capacity is 8 cubic meters. It's ready to deliver to Africa market. It can realize the synchronous spreading of asphalt and gravel, improve the quality of pavement circuit. It can be used to spread rubber asphalt, matrix asphalt, modified asphalt, and emulsified asphalt. Let's see the cab. The touchscreen in the cab displays construction parameter and monitor picture in real time. Left-hand drive or right-hand drive for you choose. Then the engine is equipped with V-Chi engine. Engine emission is Euro 2. Chassis engine for power PTO, convenient maintenance, effectively guarantee the power system security. Anti-slip roller prevents roller idling to ensure smooth chip discharge. Large spacing distributing place prevents clogging and material build-up, compatible with larger grain size. Secondary distribution of chips on the spreading plate guarantees uniform spreading. Except this truck, XCMG also have other type machines. We believe that XCMG will let you down and will become your reliable partner. If you have any machine requirements, please contact me at any time. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.